Okay, so today I want to show you how to webhook leads in from any other system. So whether you are using, WordPress form or ClickFunnels or any other type of form lead, you can get that contact information into Funnelbolt to initiate the follow-up sequence. So in order to do that, you need Zapier, and you need the webhook by Zapier. And we're first going to set up the catch hook. And to do that, we need this URL given to us by Zapier. So we're going to copy that, and then we're going to take this address and send it into whatever system we're using. Okay, so that system is basically going to use this URL as a call to send that lead information to this address. Okay, so here's just an example of some of the information that we can pull on that. Okay, and then we are going to use a post webhook to send this information into Funnelbolt. So to do that, we need Funnelbolt's webhook URL, as well as the authorization key and a campaign name. So that is going to assign those leads to your specific account and assign the specific campaign. So we get that in the system settings. Okay, so in our system settings, right here we've got our authorization key, and if you click right here under need help, how do I get leads from outside the system? We're going to click here, and there is the webhook URL. Okay, so we take those and we paste them in here. Okay, and we also need a campaign. Okay, so this is from your campaign tab. We need to create a campaign before we do this. So we create the campaign, throw that in here, and now it's going to reference the campaign, the authorization key, and the URL, and start pulling in this information from our lead form, wherever that might be. We can do that within Funnelbolt. If we do it within Funnelbolt, we don't need this webhook, but if you want to bring in leads from any other system to start the autoresponder campaign, this is how you do it. Okay, so it's going to reference all that information that you're pulling. Wrap request, no. Unflatten, yes. Now to test that data, we're going to test and continue the status. If it is true, then we're good. Test was successful. So now these leads are coming into our system and being referenced by that campaign, and it'll start to initiate that campaign every time a lead comes in. So that is how you webhook information in from outside of Funnelbolt into the autoresponder system.